Hi, I'm Ben Simonis. I'm with Flint Wilderness Resort. I just wanted to share with you my favorite walleye recipe from this last summer. It's pretty easy, 4 simple steps. First thing you're going to do is you're going to take your walleye fillets. You're going to put them in a nice little bath with some Frank's Red Hot sauce. You want to cover them up generously. Put one in there at a time. You want to use either a stainless steel or glass or a plastic that you're not worried about staining. Get the other fillet in there, a little bit more. Make sure it's got enough to be covered pretty thoroughly. And as soon as we have that set, what we're going to do is we're going to put a little cellophane on it. We're going to stick it in the refrigerator for about half an hour, let that marinate. While it's in the fridge, I'm going to get my oil going. I'm going to turn that up to 375 degrees, and we're just about there now. So the next thing I'll do is I'll put my fish seasoning, whatever type of coating you like to use, Drake's or Shore Lunch or Fish Crisp, whichever one. Put that in there. After you're done with your marinade, you're going to take your fish. Make sure you leave plenty of the Frank's on there. You're going to drop it in your seasoning, cover it up pretty good on both sides, kind of mix it around a little bit, make sure it's well coated, and you're going to just bring it right over here to your oil. Kind of shake off any extra, move your thermometer out of the way, and you're just going to drop that right in there. Come over and get the other one going, another fillet. Again, just cover it up. Nothing real difficult. So that's step 2. Step 3 is in the oil. Step 4 is just going to be to eat it. Pretty simple. You'll love how it comes out. You're just going to gently give it a little flip. Let it cook for another minute or 2 on the other side. One other thing I want to mention is not everybody likes the hot, spicy stuff, but trust me, when you cook the Frank's in the oil this way, it removes all the spice and just leaves behind a wonderful taste. So there you go, just that easy. Throw on a little tartar sauce, some lemon, have a glass of wine, enjoy. But definitely come up and see us at Flint Wilderness Resort. You'll enjoy it. Thank you.